Now, I know a lot of you must be thinking, what's the big deal about vitamin C? It's a serum, you use it like any other serum, right? Wrong. Vitamin C, even though it can be very beneficial for your skin, if not used correctly with the right ingredients and the right way, it can be very, very harmful actually. For all those of you who are new on my channel, welcome to SuperWowStyle guys. My name is Prachi. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, I don't like to keep my video introductions too long, so without further ado, let's get started. Now guys, let's start by quickly mentioning the benefits of vitamin C. We all know it has antioxidant benefits, it helps in dealing with dark spots, pigmentation, repairing the skin against sun damage, and also dealing with signs of aging. If you don't know about the benefits of vitamin C, I'm going to list all of them down and put in a little slide over here. You can pause the video if you want to read up all about it. I just want to repeat myself because I have gone over this over and over again on my channel for quite a few times now. So guys, yes, vitamin C can be very beneficial, but like I just said, it can be very, very volatile also. For example, before using a vitamin C serum, you need to wash your face, right? That's very important, of course. But what do you wash your face with? Guys, make sure that whatever you use, your face wash doesn't contain AHAs or BHAs. So no chemical exfoliators, no glycolic acid, no salicylic acid, no mantelic acid, no lactic acid, none of these ingredients. These are great ingredients in any face wash, but with vitamin C, they can react very badly. It can cause itchiness, patchiness, dryness, and also this uneven skin tone with a lot of dark brown patches. Okay, like I think brown skin is beautiful, but dark brown patches, nobody wants that, right? So make sure that none of these ingredients are there in your face wash. Just go through the ingredient list, you'll be able to figure it out. If you're looking for any face wash recommendations, I would recommend any face wash like Mamaearth vitamin C face wash, tangerine orange face wash. These are great options because they already contain vitamin C, so they're kind of designed to work with this kind of a routine. I will put the links and the details of all these recommendations I'm sharing in today's video in the description box below. You can check them out. Now, after washing your face, you need to use your vitamin C serum. So just take a few drops on your palms and dab it onto your skin. Okay, we never massage our serums, we dab, we pat it down, so the skin can actually absorb it much more quickly. When you're pushing it down like this, your skin absorbs more of it, okay, which means you can use more of the serum and you can get more benefits out of it. Just look at it like this, okay. When we're using a sheet mask, it has a lot of serum which is slowly going into your skin, which is why we see such excellent results. Same with serums. When you're using it, try to push it down and use as much as possible, so you will see extraordinary results. Talking about vitamin C serum, guys, if you have any vitamin C serum which you already love, just continue using that. If you are, however, looking for recommendations, let me just share a few recommendations with you all. There is the Garnier vitamin C serum. I love that serum, guys, especially when you pair it with the Garnier vitamin C sheet mask. Oh my god, the results are a bomb. Your skin will love you for it. There's also the 10% vitamin C serum from the Dermaco. There's a Wishcare vitamin C serum, which also contains a whole lot of other ingredients, which makes it even more beneficial for your skin. So these are some recommendations which personally work very, very well for me. You can pick and choose if you are looking for a new vitamin C serum. Now, after we are done applying the vitamin C serum, here's what you need to do. You need to lock it in with a moisturizer. However, once again, there are some rules. Of course, no AHAs, BHAs, none of these ingredients that we just mentioned. Also, make sure that your moisturizer doesn't contain any niacinamide. Why? Niacinamide and vitamin C, they actually tend to cancel each other out, and neither of the ingredients will be effective for you. So there's no point, right? No niacinamide, no vitamin C. What are you even doing with your skincare routine then? None of your ingredients will be working. So don't use anything with niacinamide. Also, absolutely do not use retinol. Now, retinol is something which is often found in anti-aging skincare products, so you really have to go through the ingredient list. Retinol actually tends to make your skin, with vitamin C, retinol tends to make your skin dry, flaky, irritated, red, and super itchy, okay? Of course, it depends on how much retinol is there in your moisturizer or your cream, but retinol and vitamin C ideally do not go well with each other at all. And also, very importantly, stay away from any moisturizer, any cream, any gel, any product which contains benzoyl peroxide. Now, benzoyl peroxide is often seen in those products which are dealing with acne. So if you have active acne and acne marks, chances are you are using a product with benzoyl peroxide and you're using a product with vitamin C. One for dealing with acne, one for dealing with acne marks. But benzoyl peroxide and vitamin C, again, they tend to cancel each other out. It tends to oxidize your vitamin C, and your vitamin C will be completely ineffective and your skin will not be happy about the reaction that it will cause, okay? So a lot of people, when they use vitamin C, they're like, okay, I tried vitamin C, but it gave me a breakout, it didn't work for me. Chances are that you're probably combining it with one of these ingredients. So go through your ingredient list very, very carefully. And if you don't want to take chances, if you just want a quick recommendation, well, you can use use the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Let me pause here. A lot of you will say, but you're saying hyaluronic acid, even that's an acid, right? Yes, that's an acid, but it doesn't throw the pH of your skin. In fact, hyaluronic acid is something which is naturally present in your skin, okay? So it responds very, very differently to vitamin C. It actually blends very well with it, okay? You could also use a face cream like this one, which is the For Essentials Saundarya Radiance Face Cream. It's a little expensive, but it's a damn good product, so you can go for that one too. And yes, most importantly, when you're using vitamin C, last but very important tip, probably the most important tip of all, make sure you wear a sunscreen. Now, I know we beauty bloggers keep saying wear a sunscreen, but guys, with vitamin C, it's a totally different scene, okay? Vitamin C tends to get oxidized in sun exposure, which can cause a lot of reactions for your skin. It can be very, very harmful for your skin, okay? Worse than sun exposure is vitamin C and sun exposure. So you need to use a sunscreen very importantly. A lot of experts even suggest not using vitamin C during the daytime at all and only using vitamin C in the evening. So yes, I will agree, using vitamin C only in the evening is a much better option. But if you really want to use it just for a few days, for the morning and the evening time as well, make sure that during the morning time, during the daytime, you seal it with a sunscreen. Now, once again, if you have a sunscreen that you love using, you can just go for that. Otherwise, I would love to suggest this particular sunscreen from the Derma Co. It's a zinc-based sunscreen. It doesn't contain any of the ingredients that could be harmful for your skin with vitamin C, and it gives you a very good sun protection. And yes, guys, that's all. I know some of you might actually get a little discouraged and think, okay, you know what, that's it. This is too complicated. I don't want to use vitamin C at all. Guys, there are some complications, I agree, but trust me, vitamin C, the reason why it's such a huge rage in the market these days, the beauty industry is going crazy about vitamin C, is because it has numerous benefits. It's genuinely very good for your skin if used correctly. So if you want to use vitamin C, just keep these things in mind. Don't get discouraged. It's really not that complicated, and I have shared the product recommendations also for you if you're feeling confused. So yes, that's all for now, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever used vitamin C before, how your skin has responded to it. I would just love to hear your stories. I love learning about skincare and about experiences. And while you're sharing your comments, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.